Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Nerchuko. My name is Fanindra. In this video, I will show you how you can create Azure Cosmos DB for Mongo API. So let's begin our video. So log into your Azure Portal and then click on Cosmos DB and then click on Create. And you can see here Azure DocumentDB with MongoDB compatibility. So click on Create and you will be shown two options to choose from. One is Azure Document DB and the other one is the Cosmos way of request units. So both having different use cases. So this is mostly preferred by many of the people, and this is for only specific use cases where request units, if you want to consume the request units of Cosmos DB. And I will show you how to create both these resources in Azure Cosmos DB. So let's go by one. So click on Document DB creation and then the subscription is chosen by default and then resource group I chosen demo and then cluster name you can give it. So let's say it's document DB 89 and then I have a free tag to enable it, but I will leave it as it is. And then location South India. So here you need to choose the cluster configuration. So I want to choose the least one, which is 2 GB RAM and 1 vCore. And storage, I want to choose the least one, 32 gigabytes. And then storage type I will leave as default. And then click on save. Scroll down. And then MongoDB version you need to choose as latest one, which is 8. And then I will use some username and password here. So let's give Mongo admin. And you can generate password random. Copy it and paste it. So I confirm my password and just go to next working. So I will leave as it is. So if you want to enable the global distribution for this MongoDB, you need to enable the replica cluster and give the replica name and what is the region of the replica and then the configuration. So I'm leaving it as it is. I want to go to encryption. So by default it is service manager key. So you leave it as it is. Go to tags and then review and create. So you can see all the details here in the overview tab. So this is my estimated cost 26.61 USD and all the details you can see here. Click on create. So just click on create cluster without firewall rules. Now the deployment is in progress, and to save the time let's jump straight to the finished resource. As you can see now the resource was deployed and I'm clicking on go to resource. So you can see my document DB name, document DB 89, and you can see all the configurations, cluster size, disk size, and shard count, then the location, version name, admin username. So this is about MongoDB creation. So this is very similar to the open source MongoDB. And now let's create the other one, which is Cosmos way of using RUs. So go to Cosmos DB, click on create, and then select the MongoDB API, click on create, and then choose the RU. So click on create. So here you need to fill all the basic details So I am filling my details here. So I will choose learning, put the work type, and then resource group I will choose Azure demo, and instance details. In the account name I will choose this is RU based MongoDB API and some number. So and then I'm keeping disable for the availability zones. The location I will leave it to US2, and then capacity mode I will choose serverless in this case, and the highest version I can choose is up to 7. So this is the default, and then go to global distributions. So this is if you want to configure the Cosmos DB for Mongo API for multi-region deployment. You can choose the multi-region, but for serverless this isn't supporting, so you cannot choose it. And then click on networking, leave it as it is, and then backup policy. So I will be choosing periodic, and this is my interval, and click on security, and this is default service manager key for the encryption, and then tags, and then review and create. So you can verify all the details again here, and then click on create. So now as you can see the deployment is in progress, so it will take 3 to 4 minutes depending on the resource. So to save time, let's jump straight back to the finished resource. Now as you can see my resource is deployed, so I'm going to that particular resource of Cosmos DB for Mongo API. So click on go to resource, close it, and you can see all the essential details of my RU based Cosmos DB for Mongo API. So this is my status, the subscription, and then read and write location, the URI, and the capacity mode I choose serverless for this demo. So this is about creation of MongoDB in Cosmos DB for both RU and vCore-based. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.